And we actually are in a position as the loan originator, when we set up this file and we register it with the lender, one of the things we have to do is we have to provide estimates of all these fees I'm talking about, even though most of them are not ours. I
Hmm.
have, now I have a good handle on what the appraisal fee and the credit report fee is going to be, of course, because we know what those fee schedules are. But when it comes to escrow and title, usually when we start a new transaction, we maybe don't even know who the escrow and title company are going to be, or we have just found out, and yet because of the timeline that's been started with the opening of escrow, we can't wait around for a day or two or three for the escrow office to send us their schedule of fees. We have to estimate them on their behalf
Hmm.
when we register the file with the lender. And so what happens in doing that is we and even the lender will set up those estimates higher than probably the actual on purpose to avoid under disclosure.
Hmm.
And again, once you open escrow, can the borrower, the buyer, go to that escrow company now that they know who it is and say, hey, I don't like your fees. Can you drop them? Go ahead, give it a try. I haven't seen that be successful very often. So,
Hmm.
really, when it comes to negotiating fees, I would say that's a pretty narrow opportunity, and it's mostly going to be related to who your originator is. In other words, what you may be able to negotiate to a limited degree is the rate being offered to you, and if the mortgage originator has any miscellaneous fees, sometimes called junk fees. Uh, you know, Folks like us, a mortgage broker, there's brokers out there who, when they deliver a loan to a lender, that lender is going to have a flat fee. Usually it's called an underwriting fee or an admin fee, and it's usually plus or minus $1,000. But some brokers will have miscellaneous fees like processing fee and document fee, and even they'll have an underwriting fee. Can you negotiate those? Possibly. But that's about the only segment of all these costs I'm describing where you really have a genuine a chance to negotiate anything. So.